Assalamualaikum everyone. Today saya nak share another way of composting your food waste. This is the FoodCycler. This machine is a food waste composter yang low maintenance, and the best part, kita boleh dapat byproduct baja with very minimal effort. If you've been on my food waste management journey from day one, korang might remember yang kami ada try the Bokashi method. Tapi last kami opt for the food digester yang kami DIY sendiri and tanam dekat belakang rumah. Dan last year kami install the food waste disposer juga untuk manage small amounts of food waste on days yang kami malas nak kumpul for the food digester, and to also keep our sink basket clear throughout the day. So basically dekat rumah kami ni, kami ada a system that works together untuk manage our food waste between the food digester and the food waste disposer. Tapi for both systems, kami masih tak dapat nak achieve our final goal, which is to produce baja from our food waste for the 90% of the plants dekat rumah ni. Since the food digester provides nutrients to the plants around the bin sahaja, dan the food waste disposer grinds the food waste sampai halus supaya ia selamat untuk masuk the sewer system to be processed with the rest of the organic matter in there. But if you've been on my composting journey from the beginning, korang tahu that my biggest struggle dengan food waste composting is the maintenance and bau. Saya pernah try the Bokashi bin method, tapi it was too much work dan saya tak tahan dengan the smell. Eventually, kami settle on the food digester bin yang kami DIY sendiri a few years back. Tapi kami tak dapat any byproduct baja for the rest of our trees and plants around the house. So now ada a machine yang boleh compost our food waste and tak perlu risau isu bau. The FoodCycler is perfect for those yang duduk high rise yang tak boleh nak compost the traditional way tapi still not contribute in keeping food waste out of the landfill. This machine is a good match for people like me juga yang banyak pokok keliling rumah and nak a low maintenance, low odor way untuk generate our own baja dari our daily food waste. So, jom unbox with me. My machine ni came pre-installed, jadi korang maybe kena do some installation on your own. Tapi jangan risau sebab dapat a manual sekali and the instructions semua very clear. In the box dapat the machine, and dalam the machine ada the bucket. Ada juga a bucket lid, and that's it. We're ready to start composting. Like all forms of composting, akan ada some food yang suitable and some yang tak suitable to be added to the system. Ada a wide range of items yang kita boleh masuk in the system. This machine boleh handle most food waste macam most fruits and veggies, daging, tulang ayam dan ikan, kulit ketam and lala pun boleh. Saya share the whole list of do's and don'ts here. Basically, saya tinggal the bucket dekat sini, dekat dapur kami, dan add the food waste direct dalam the bucket throughout the day. Ada the lid yang ada odor control juga, jadi tak perlu risau isu bau while the bucket is out on the counter. Once the food waste dah sampai the max line here, which is around 2.5 liters, kita dah boleh put the bucket into the machine and run the cycle. Bila dah sudah, dapatlah this byproduct yang kita boleh buat jadi baja. The best way to use it is if kita prep dengan tanah dulu, baru kita tabur dekat our plants. Byproduct ini juga kita boleh simpan dalam bekas kedap udara until kita ready nak guna. And I'm sure ramai mesti nak tahu, does the FoodCycler consume a lot of energy? Surprisingly, untuk each cycle, the machine guna hanya 0.8 kilowatt per hour of electricity, which is the same usage consumption of a PC or a desktop. And the sound while the FoodCycler is on pun tak kuat mana. The FoodCycler pun perlu turn on bila perlu sahaja, instead of 24 hours unlike other composting machines. So next, mesti korang curious nak tahu the type of maintenance needed for this machine. The bucket tak perlu cuci every day, tapi occasionally akan ada this type of build up. Kalau jadi gini, baru kita kena cuci. Cara nak cuci senang je, rebus air dan curah masuk the bucket dengan some mild detergent. Leave it overnight. And esok, just slightly scrub and rinse the bucket. And if the cover kotor, just cuci dan keringkan macam biasa. That's the extent for the weekly maintenance. Ini pun if perlu sahaja. Every 6 months pula, kita kena change the carbon filters dekat belakang the machine. Just pop open the back door, remove the filter cap, twist off the cartridge dan buka. Discard the used pellets dan ganti dengan the new ones. The new ones harga RM149 per set. That's all the maintenance needed. And this one pun kita tak payah nak ingat sangat sebab the machine ada a reminder to change the carbon filters. The FoodCycler ni is a Canadian brand and their warranty pun best. If within the 1 year warranty, boleh dapat a 1-to-1 replacement terus if the machine rosak. And their after sale service pun tip top. So, kalau korang nak the link to the product, boleh check out my description below. Saya share the link there. Kalau korang ada any questions for me, boleh je drop it down below in my comment section. InsyaAllah, saya akan reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching everyone. Till next time.